Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set up CLAUDE Cowork from scratch. So in this video I will show you how to set up CLAUDE Cowork from scratch. First of all, in order to use CLAUDE Cowork or basically the whole CLAUDE desktop application, you have to install it. If you don't know how to install it, you can go back to previous video, because in this video I showed you how to install CLAUDE Desktop. And now we can move to the video, because after the logging in and launching the CLAUDE Desktop, you will see something like this. And we will talk about CLAUDE Cowork in this video, and I will show you what to set up and what to consider to turn on or turn off. So, in order to use CLAUDE Cowork, you have this bar on the left. You have to simply switch on that by clicking right there. By default, the CLAUDE Cowork is not available. You have to install it. You will need to click on that button and press install. After the installation, your system will restart without any warning, so you have to remember that and do it only when you are ready. But after the installation and after restarting your computer, you will be able to go into this CLAUDE Cowork section. And now, what do we have here? First of all, you need to choose your AI model. You have the AI model here. I am using Sonnet 4.6 because I think it is the best, responsive everyday work. You can use Opus 4.7. It is most capable for ambitious work. You can use this Haku for 4.5. It is fastest, most efficient. Now you have more models right here, which is the older version of this Opus. You can also use adaptive thinking. It is enabled by default things for more complex tasks. I think it is good, and I recommend you to leave it on. Now, you have the section of ask. You have two options. First option is ask before acting. The second one is act without asking. So, the first one is a little bit safer, because as you can see, CLAUDE pauses, so you can approve each action. When you have the second option, CLAUDE works without pausing for approval. So, CLAUDE will or AI model will do what it thinks is the best without asking you for approval. So I think the first option is a little bit safer, so I also recommend it to use this first one. You can also consider to go into settings right here. So settings, and you have capabilities. It is not only for the CLAUDE Cowork model, but for all models, but you have two options right here, so which is search and reference chats. You have allowed CLAUDE to search for relevant details in past chats, and generate memory from chat history. So allowed CLAUDE to remember relevant context from your chats. This settings controls memory for both chats and projects. So you can consider to turn it on. By default it is off. I probably recommend you to do it. You can test it on your own. If you will be not happy with how the model behaves, you can always turn it off like this. So in that case, if you are turning off the memory, you can either reset the memory. This will permanently delete all memories, including project memories. This can be undone. Or you can pause the memory, so CLAUDE will keep its existing memory but won't use it, and it won't make new memories. So I will reset it for now, because in this video I'm not going to do anything complicated. I'm just showing you how to set up this CLAUDE for the first time. Now, maybe I will show you how to connect the folder. I showed you that in the previous videos, but of course, if you are using Cowork, you will work in the folder, because this is the main reason why we are using this model. So you can either create a new project or choose a folder. Maybe for now I will choose a folder. It is a little bit easier. I will show you how to create a project in the next videos, and how to use it and what you can do with it. But for now I will choose the folder, I prepared the folder in documents, and here I have the Cloud folder. I can click on that, and of course you have to allow Cloud to change files in Cloud. I will allow it because this is of course why we are doing this. We want to allow Cloud to make changes in our folder, for example, save files, read files, and so on. Now, maybe I will show you how to install plugins. In order to install plugins, you have to go into Customize section. You can either connect your apps, you can create new skills, and browse plugins. I will show you, I will record a lot of videos about skills like in the future. Same about plugins. If you want to add some plugins, you can go here, you can search for them. You have a lot of them, as you can see. For example, like Miro, like I don't know, PDF viewer, Box, Adobe for creativity. If you want to install this plugin, you can click on that and you can press on install. I'm not going to do it in this video because I am going to record separate videos about it. But as you can see, if you are using PDF viewer, later you can use this skill. So you can either use view PDF, sign, open, fill from, and annotate. So this is very useful. And this is how you can set it up. As you can see, if I will connect this folder, the model can actually do something for me. So as you can see, for now this folder is empty. I can ask it to create a file. For example, create me a simple file in connected folder with a random sentence, for example. And you can press on that button or you can press enter, it doesn't really matter. And as you can see, here you have the progress, here you have the Cloud. For now it has only instruction. In a second it will also have a file, as you can see. And here you have the context. In that case we don't have a context because this is only the first, because this is not a complicated chat. So done, here is your file. I can now open this section. So the documents Cloud, you have hello.txt, you can open that. The old lighthouse keeper claims that every storm brought a new story washed ashore. So this is the sentence that Cloud write into this file. And that's basically all in this video. This is how you can set up Cloud for the CLAUDE Cowork for the first time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.